Some weapons are never shown in public. Some are never officially confirmed. And some are so powerful they can change the balance of the world overnight. Today, we reveal the top 5 secret military weapons that scare nations and military experts alike. Secret military weapons are systems that are hidden, classified, or only partially revealed. They exist to create fear, deterrence, and strategic advantage. Let's begin. Hypersonic missiles are among the most feared weapons in the world. Key facts: travel at Mach 5+, over 6,000 kilometers per hour, can maneuver mid-flight, nearly impossible to intercept. These weapons can strike targets before defenses even react. They change the meaning of modern warfare. Modern drones are no longer just remote-controlled machines. They use artificial intelligence, stealth technology, and autonomous targeting. Capabilities: invisible to radar, can operate without human control, used for surveillance and precision strikes. The scariest part? They can decide faster than humans. War is no longer limited to Earth. Secret programs include anti-satellite weapons, orbital surveillance systems, and space-based cyber interference. Disabling satellites can blind entire nations in seconds. Space is now a battlefield. The most dangerous weapon may not explode at all. Cyber weapons can shut down power grids, disable military systems, paralyze financial networks. One line of code can cause more damage than bombs, and it can happen silently. Laser weapons sound like science fiction, but they are very real. Capabilities: shoot at the speed of light, destroy drones, missiles, and sensors, extremely precise. These weapons do not run out of ammunition. They redefine defense. These weapons are terrifying because they are fast, silent, hard to detect, and difficult to defend against. They shift power without warning. No country wants to use these weapons, but every major power wants to have them. This balance of fear keeps the world from full-scale war. These secret weapons are shaping the future of warfare. Some protect peace, others threaten it. This is why the world watches them in silence. Subscribe to Next Leap History for more hidden truths of power, war, and history.